breaking news. Fred TV 24 News. I'm John O.C. Wugom, your host. Hey everyone, today I've got some breaking news for you. The Texas Supreme Court has just lifted a temporary injunction, paving the way for Robert Roberson's execution to be rescheduled. Now, if you're not familiar with this case, let's dive in. Robert Roberson was convicted back in 2002 for the tragic death of his 2-year-old daughter. The key piece of evidence used against him was the diagnosis of shaken baby syndrome. However, this diagnosis has since become highly controversial. Many experts now argue that it can be unreliable and could lead to wrongful convictions. Roberson's legal team has been fighting hard to introduce new evidence suggesting that his daughter's death was actually caused by severe pneumonia and septic shock, not shaken baby syndrome. Despite these arguments, state officials, including Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton, maintain that Roberson received a lawful sentence and has exhausted all available legal appeals. What really stirred things up was when lawmakers subpoenaed Roberson to testify about the potential misuse of shaken baby syndrome science. This move temporarily delayed his execution. But the Texas Supreme Court has now ruled that this subpoena violated the separation of powers principle. They did note, however, that Roberson's testimony could still proceed through other means. Roberson's case has drawn significant public attention, especially from lawmakers, medical professionals, and criminal justice advocates. They argue that newer research questioning shaken baby syndrome diagnoses should be taken seriously. Critics say that certain medical conditions can mimic its symptoms, leading to potential misdiagnoses. This case is a reminder of the ongoing debate over the validity of certain types of forensic evidence in criminal convictions. It's a complex issue with potentially life or death consequences. So, what's next for Robert Roberson? His execution date will be rescheduled, but the conversation around shaken baby syndrome and its role in our justice system is far from over. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to stay informed on this developing story. Until next time, take care. Fred TV 24 News.